It's so good, guys. Please stream First Love by Beanie. Kinikilig pag magkasama, araw-gabi na alala. You can be my first love. Memorize that, of course. First love. Just me, Owen. Yun lang. We're so busy eh. And so is everybody. You can be my first love. Dalawa si Aya dyan. Kaya nga eh. Ang ganda ni Aya. Si ano. Sneer. Wow. Na talaga yung nakakalito. Beanie Aya. First love. Shout out Laguna. Hello po. How about F1? Do I watch F1? I do. I'm a fan, but I haven't been updated. First love, kinikilig pag magkasama. Watching from Rome, Italy. Grabe, bias ko pa sa Beanie. Josie. Kinikilig pag magkasama. You can be my first love. When ulit bonding din just me. Next year na po. Michael, Duo. Is this your account? It is. Yes, sir. I don't know how to join. Kaya nga, dude eh. It's so weird. It says kasi on my screen, you have no co-host. Like, I can't invite. Like, the co-hosting, hindi kaya. Weird, but we did it last time. Thanks to the hearts. Sa baba, you can join. You can try requesting. Did you... Ayun! Duo! Yes! Finally! Hello?
How's this?
Yes! Come on! Finally!
Bro, I figured it out on mine. I need to go live again tomorrow because I need to go live on 3 separate days. So we gotta go live.
It's not ano yet. You're
Yeah.
parang not. Yeah, there's like a requirement.
Hindi pa verified. You know.
Oh, dude, wow!
Bro, guys, you don't know how much I miss Mike. We haven't seen each other in forever.
miss you, bro.
It's been way too freaking long.
Grabe.
Idol!
Nag-ML ka na, ha?
Bro, sobrang saya mag-ML. Legit. Sobrang saya.
Ayan, ikaw yung nag-expand ngayon.
Sobrang saya ng... Do you play?
Yeah, I do.
Dude, let's play.
Sige, I have to get another device, though.
Okay. No!
Congrats, ha? You're ano, MMFF! Yeah! More boys!
Go! Bro, it's my first one. Grabe, sobrang...
I'm so proud of you.
explain.
And
Oh,
Romance
man.
Reboot!
Romance Reboot!
Come on!
Magkikita tayo, diba? Sa special screening.
Yes, sir! Shit. What'd you do today, Duo?
Today, some work, and then I'm going out for dinner.
Nice. And then ML na lang.
ML time. What rank are you?
I don't have a rank yet.
Oh, okay.
I'll work para have the higher rank.
Yeah, no, I'll play with you so that you can get a rank, a good rank.
So you have to go one more live, and then you could do the 2 live na.
Yes, we can co-host na.
Sige,
Do
dude.
live tomorrow. What are you doing today?
I'm gonna eat na rin. I'm gonna dinner lang.
Okay, perfect. So tomorrow, let's live again since
Yes.
okay na.
Sige, Duo.
We can
Okay.
Oh, guys, alam niyo na, magme-mini live kami bukas.
Bukas na to.
Abangan nyo na.
Tuloy na.
Abangan nyo na, bukas.
Ito muna ang reunion natin, Duo, online.
Yes. konting gift lang to, pero next time ulit.
Okay.
Really, baby, come on.
Let's go, bro. Congrats again, bro.
Miss you, bro. Peace.
If you ingat. Yes, sir. Ganon, guys. Ganon pala. Okay, guys. I am going to have dinner as well. Sana kayo ay kumain na rin. Maraming salamat sa inyong oras. Ingat kayo palagi. Yes, sana Emilio like go live tomorrow. We'll see. And, yeah. Uy, doon sa mga supporters ko pala, yung Michael Love. Ang cute man. I'm so excited for that. I'll see you guys there very soon. Kaya, ingat kayo. Again, let's all pray for Davao. Lahat po nang naapektuhan. And yeah. God bless, guys. Love you all. Ingat. Bye-bye.